Let's learn how you can reset your Explorer page on Instagram. So let us open our Instagram application. Before we start with the tutorial, you need to know that there is no option to reset like on TikTok for your page fully, but what you can do is to help resetting it over time. What I meant by that, just wait and see. So you will have to click on your profile icon, then go to three horizontal lines in top right corner. It will open your settings page. Now what you want to do is click on search and type content and click on suggested content. It will open content preferences page. From here you can select in which videos you are interested or not interested. You can also choose specific words for the videos and choose if you want to see sensitive or political content. As you can see, if you tap here, it will say that I didn't add any post that I'm interested in. So you can add more posts that you are interested and it will show more posts you added there. One more thing you can do is, for example, if you go on Explorer page or Reels, when you open it, it follows your algorithm. What I meant by that is Instagram follows your engagement with those videos, so more videos you're watching with that theme, more will appear on your page. Basically, if you watch a lot of car videos or search a lot of car videos, more car videos will appear here. So you can try and force your page to reset by searching and viewing other videos you want to view. And after time, it will start appearing more and more. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.